Good morning. Welcome to day 5 or vlog number 5. Now, yesterday's vlog ended a little abruptly. Let me actually have a seat and speak to you guys. So, yesterday's vlog actually ended a little abruptly. Zyada bada nahi tha because I was traveling. It was raining in Mumbai and I was on the bike. And things happened in an unplanned way. Like, I was looking for a camera and I was roaming in the camera market, and my budget was around 15,000. I wanted to buy a used action camera, maybe a Hero 8 or even a Hero 9. If I can get it for 18, 19, I was ready to extend the budget. But what exactly happened is I went to a few shops and I didn't really find a good option at that price. And then I got the opportunity, as I told you in yesterday's vlog, to buy this, the Hero 11 Black. So right now it's around 8:33 in the morning on a Wednesday, and I'm in the process of, let me show you here. So the desk looks a little messed up right now because I've just registered this GoPro for extended warranty. I'm setting it up, and I've also got this accessories kit from Amazon, and I'm just gonna see a few things. And yeah, that was the GoPro shutting down. Anyways, so this camera, if you ask me, it has costed me around 43 to 44,000, and this accessories kit another 1,500, and there'll be extra batteries, the mic adapter, and stuff like that. Later in the day, I will shoot using this GoPro, and this is right now being shot on the IQ11. So the audio and video quality, in the second scene, you need to let me know how good is it, because accordingly I can decide if I want a mic adapter or not. GoPro accessories are extremely expensive. For example, if you go for a spare battery, it will cost you 4,000. Just an adapter to connect the mic will cost you 4,000 as well. Not so fresh. So what we're gonna do is I'm gonna hit the salon, get a haircut, change the look, and get back to you when I start work for today. The weather outside is pretty amazing. It's been raining since the last 2 to 3 days, so I like rains. So that's what the weather looks like in Mumbai today. It's raining a lot. I've been waiting since the last 30 to 45 minutes so that I can go to the salon and start my day. अब काफ़ी टाइम इन्वेस्ट हो रहा है, but I will tell you that I'm loving the new GoPro. I'm also looking to get a media mod for this so that the audio quality will further improve. I'm pretty sure in the last 3 or 4 vlogs that you've seen, you've noticed that the video quality is not that great, the audio quality is not that great. But from now on, this is being shot on the GoPro, so you need to tell me how exactly does it look and what quality improvements need to be done. Now, as of now, I will tell you what I've done here. So let's see here. This is the OnePlus 3T जो मैंने बताया था कि मेरे friend का है. And the guy who repaired it has sort of screwed it up, because you see this area, this was not there earlier. So this is one, and let me also show you what the state of my V11X is. Now I really feel bad for this device here, because see how well I have maintained this device. I've used it personally as well, and it is in extremely good shape. But if I turn it on, it will just go to fast mode and sit there, and it doesn't even get detected on PC. And this, of course, is the iQ11, right, that we are using. And apart from this, the desk looks messed up right now. Now, as you can see, this is the accessories pack that I've ordered from Amazon for like $13.99. Pretty good package. And the GoPro in total costed me around 43 to 44,000. And not much has come with the. So not many accessories included. I've already registered this device. So all in all, if you ask me, the experience is pretty amazing. Having a small camera and having great audio video quality, especially when I edit it, तब मुझे पता चलेगा what type of quality we have. Now let's quickly get ready and start shooting, because today we have to shoot a lot of videos and we have to hunt for new phones as well. So things are going to be exciting, and in the evening the Pixel 7 video will be coming. Let's go! Alright guys, so it's around 1:30 in the afternoon and this is the state right now. I have got down. I didn't have a choice. I waited for an hour and tried to set up the GoPro and other things as well for the helmet for moto vlogging. It's going to be a tough day getting back home. Okay, so if we talk about the time, it's 6:06 in the evening. Today's day went by like a flash because there were a lot of things that I was doing. I was actually creating a mount for mounting the GoPro on my helmet. That took about one and a half hour. And then we went to the salon. You can obviously see the change in the look. So this fresh look will continue every single day now. At the same time, I want to talk about this guy in this particular vlog. Earlier in this vlog, मैंने आपको बताया how this phone died and no, right? I just told you a gist. So let me give you a few more details कि exactly हुआ क्या था. Now this is a Mi 11X that I had bought brand new 2 years back, right? I had bought it brand new. I had bought it for the channel and it made quite a lot of videos. I think I have close to 100 videos for this device and I was flashing it every now and then. Now one fine day what happened is this device was charging fine, but it stopped getting detected on the PC and it was not detecting any OTGs as well. So I thought maybe it's a ROM issue as always, and I tried to flash a ROM, did format data after the flash, and even with all the experience, the flash full. And it is now stuck into fast boot mode. Now to fix the Mi 11X, what I've done here is I first took it to Xiaomi service, of course. There they changed the charging strip, they tried everything, and then they said that the motherboard is 22,000, it is not fixable. After that I went to one shop here in my local area where I stay. Then I went to the professionals in town who normally claim that they can fix anything. Everybody is telling me either you need to replace the motherboard or if you're giving it to repair, you need to take a risk of the device dying. So that was a risk I was not ready to take. Now one of the subscribers has reached out. उनका नाम मैं अगर आपको बता दूँ, I'll tell you his Telegram ID. His Telegram ID is GTX Ronak. I think he is from West Bengal itself. And he's claiming that there is a guy who can fix the Elliot. Now, I request for help from everyone. I know this device is close to 2 years old and I really don't want to make an issue out of this device like I did for the Poco X3 Pro, because this died while I was on a custom ROM. But I'll tell you this has been happening with more than one person. There have been multiple people whose Mi 11Xs have been dying in a similar way, not detected on PC and other things happening. So let me know in the comment section if I should make a dedicated video for this, and probably we should start a petition or start calling out Xiaomi so that they can extend the warranty for this phone as well. For now, well, I will probably send this to Kolkata and I'll flash a new ROM on the Poco X3 Pro, and the iQOO is doing just fine.
It's hard to get over such a beautiful lie. When I still want you closer, I am longing for closure, and I'm wondering why.
Now I don't know what to say at this point because it's 9:11 in the evening. Today's day has been very difficult because of a lot of things, and it just continues to be difficult. Now we have two PCs. My editor is trying to encode this Pixel 7 video. It is edited already. He spent hours editing that video, and माइक लगा हुआ था इसलिए खुला था. Anyways, मेरे सिस्टम पे भी it is giving me a render error, and since half an hour we are on a phone call और try कर रहे हैं, पता नहीं क्या हो रहा है क्या नहीं हो रहा है. तो अभी let's see. I don't know. Remaining shoot will happen tomorrow, but I've been able to shoot 4 shots. You see 2 of them today and 2 of them tomorrow. I will do something with the Poco X3 Pro, and let me know in the comment section कि iQOO 11 का तुमको कैमरा रिव्यू और गेमिंग रिव्यू चाहिए या नहीं, because battery backup and charging तो इतना मैटर नहीं करता because it's a 120 watt charger. Apart from this, I am hunting for new phones. Unfortunately, the X90 just slipped out of my hands. So I will try my best to get a new device soon, and maybe in 3-4 days I am traveling to my native place Rajasthan. Potentially I will continue vlogging, and I will regularly upload these vlogs for you. You can let me know in the comment section what all you want to see. A lot of people are giving me feedback and I'm improving that day by day. Especially let me know how is the audio and video quality on this GoPro. I will definitely improve the audio and get a dedicated mic. For now, good night. This is Kailash signing off. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.